Y'all hear all that construction in the background? It's time, y'all. It is time for us to start house hunting again. And this time around, I'm kind of manifesting something because we're not halfway there yet. We're not near the goal, but we're getting there. We're going to get there. Now, let me tell you something. This first one that we're doing, y'all love when I bring y'all stuff y'all can't afford. And I'm saying y'all, pointing this way. This first one is something that I saw on an Instagram ad. So you know if you're seeing an advertisement for the place, it done gone wrong already. But I like to put my hat where I can't reach it sometimes. So we're gonna get a little ladder and a step stool and we're gonna check out a place. This is where I'm at. It is in Tamam, Norte, which is a very exclusive part of town that is being built up like a rapid fire. It also means that it's hard to get transportation up here, so you better have a car if you want to be up this side. But it's brand new construction all around. We're gonna go look at it and then we're gonna talk about it because, as I said, the price up there. It kind of excites me, I won't lie, to see like the new construction because you know the roads are unnamed, like it literally says that on Uber, unnamed roads. But I was afraid of this part of town because the traffic to get up here from within the peripheral is crazy. But they're building out roads, so you can see they have like cell towers going that way. There's a road that's gonna be built right there. This road this way don't go nowhere yet, but it's going somewhere eventually. And like that one straight down, and then there's one that you can't really see that's cut this way too. So they're building roads, they're building out this part of town very quickly, and the expats, they love up here, boy. They love up here. So but this is where you land when you first come and you think Mexico is cheap, and then you get a little bit more savvy because up here so the money tall. But we gonna go and feast our eyes a little bit, check out what kind of amenities they have in Aldea Borboleta. If y'all want to come and live that luxury life for less, let's see. The phase that I was standing at is still under heavy construction. This is the one that's almost ready, so this is actually the one we checked out. So in this complex, we're actually going to look at two units. This one is on the ground floor. It's a little bit bigger, has a different layout than the apartments. As you can see, it's not completely finished yet, like the ground there, so never ready, none tall. But inside was ready to be shown. So let's look at what brand new gets us. They are fully furnished, the ones that were on offer. So everything you see stays. Very nice finishings. I will definitely give it that. The kitchen had, you know, the 4-burner stove top, and then it had nice cabinetry, which I always look for because that's sometimes hard to come by in apartments unless you're getting them brand new like this. Then out here, let me see where I'm going to show you next. Okay, so it had a nice little small living room area right here. Yeah, there you go. So the TV, everything stays, and then there's one bathroom immediately on your right here. This is what it's giving. It was nice. It was nice, and it had a window in it, something I always check for. And then it is Jack and Jill because that bathroom also goes into this bedroom here. So I guess this would be Munchkin's bedroom. It has a TV in it. There are windows that show out to the parking lot there. Two tiny little kuch-up things beside the bed, and her closet. It's open faced. So okay. And then this is the primary bedroom here. It has a walk out to the outside area there. And so outside there, we soon get out there, is a nice little area because you're on the ground floor. As I said, it's kind of different than, you know, the apartments up top. So you have a TV on the wall there. You have the bathroom for the primary, which is laid out similar. It's kind of small. That's what I was thinking. Like for the money them want for these ones, them kind of small. Like me not have no space for really turn too much and so in the bedroom, in the bathroom. Let me see, me soon go inside so you can see the bathroom where the closet is. So there it is. There it is. It's a little bit bigger. The vanity area is a little bit bigger. And you have your closet right here, which I thought was kind of small. I mean, if it's okay for just me. It's just me one, you know. And then the bath, it just kind of felt very tight. I won't lie. Everything felt very tight. So I loved it because it was all pretty and brand new, and I would be the first one. Love that for me. But for the money they were asking, it is very tight. So just how much were they asking? Well, for this particular unit that I'm looking at, they wanted the equivalent of 1,345 USD. So they wanted 23,000 Mexican pesos for this unit furnished. I think it was 21,000 unfurnished. And for that money, I know I can get much bigger. Like, I know I can get much bigger. So it was just too small for that money. So because you're on the ground floor, you have a little bit more square footage. So you do get this private area outside, entertaining space. You have a little bar and grill area, so you can grill out here, and a tiny little dip pool. And then that part that was just off the bedroom there, where you have the gravel, I guess you could set up a table and chair situation so that you can actually eat outside. So that was nice. I liked it. That was cute or whatever. I thought that this door that I'm asking him about that opens, I thought it was a full passageway. It's just the area for the wash, which means that whoever is going to come and service the pool has to walk through my house to get back there. Didn't like that. Didn't like that at all. Okay, back outside, you can see that they're still working on like the parking lot area. They're going to, I guess, landscape it and pave where you park your cars and stuff. So that's the gate that we would have come through there. And then these are the units with the garden and the pools on the bottom of the buildings. So we're going up to, I think we were on the second floor of one of these other blocks. These are 2-bedroom apartments that he's telling me. So above the ones that we just looked at, there are 1-bedrooms. So in this complex, there are 1-bedrooms, and then there are 2-bedrooms with garden and pool, and then there are 2-bedroom apartments without the garden and pool.
1 room.
1-bedroom. Okay, got it.
1 bedroom. Is the only building that have 1 bedroom.
Oh, I see.
Down.
These are the garden ones, 2-bedroom. Up there, 1-bedroom.
Yeah.
Got it.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
I'm gonna show you.
Do you have ones that are upstairs that are available? Because I want a balcony.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have.
Okay.
Would you prefer first or second floor?
Yeah.
You can choose.
Yeah. Okay.
Only have like four depths disponibles
Available. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. And 1 floor is second floor.
Okay. Okay, I like this.
Okay. This is the same.
Yeah.
But without garden.
Well, this looks, because the TV is so far. So
in the way amoblado included.
But this should be there.
Included.
And the couch should be here, so that I can watch the TV.
Oh, you should, like you prefer.
That's kind of like.
You can.
They should have put the switches on this wall.
Yeah.
So that the couch could be here. And then I can plug the TV in here. Is there switches back here? Only one little one.
Yeah.
Because I need the TV here.
Maybe if you want to
switch it around.
Redecorate.
Yeah.
You can do it with this. You wear like you prefer, no?
Okay, let's see what you got in here.
This includes.
Oh, the fridges are here. Okay.
Yeah.
And then the lavadora. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Include.
Yeah. Included.
Okay. in the amoblado. Okay. Just like this is amoblado.
Yeah. Okay.
Just like this.
So same layout. We have 1 bathroom here. for guests and for this bedroom. This bedroom is kind of tight, I won't lie to you. Like, we couldn't get a desk in here if I wanted to get one for Marley. This other bedroom, oh, this one's smaller too, because this one has the wardrobe in here. So yeah, this bedroom's kind of tight. And the bathroom's kind of tight. Like, counter space. And I mean, I guess I could put a storage unit here. Make sure you have window in your shower areas, guys. The humidity in here is a bitch. So I have more shower space in here. A little bit more, I think. But this is kind of tight for the money what I'm ask. Man, I tell no lie. Okay.
It's actually very nice, you know?
It is. Can I take a peek upstairs? I want to see the balcony size. Oh, right. It would be the same balcony. Yeah. Okay. I want to see if I can put chairs. Yeah, I guess.
We prefer in the first floor, second floor. Yeah.
Yeah.
And you can choose it.
Yeah.
And the moment we sing the contract, you can choose the
Yeah.
depth
And they have
like.
Okay, I like that. Okay. So this is the common pool and social area for those who do not have private pools in their backyards. So they wanted 17,000 pesos for this apartment, which fully furnished, it works out to be around 1,000 USD. It's not bad, but again, over here in Tamam Norte, getting your Ubers are going to be difficult, let me tell you, and it's not walkable yet because ain't nothing out here. Let's check out another apartment. So this apartment was right behind, what is that, Texas Roadhouse, and there's the peripheral right there. So you're like just inside the peripheral. It is right near the Harbor Mall, so the location was good. It was a unit that was on the ground floor and again, fully furnished. This is what we're looking at when you walk in. It has that little L couch and it has your mounted television, an air conditioning unit, ceiling fans, love that, ceiling fans. It has the red chairs here to match the cushions that are on the couch. Really liked that, and I love this little island here that they have. The realtor keeps telling me that the kitchen was just redone, so everything here was brand new. Loved that. It flows into this area here where it's like your washroom area, and you can see the little common backyard, I guess, for all the other apartments. You can get back there. And the boiler is actually in that washroom area as well. So that's your water heater situation. I like the size of this fridge. I like the things that it comes with. Like, you know, I'm looking to make sure it has the small appliances and the large appliances. The less I have to buy up front, the better. So this is one bedroom. This one would have to be Munchkin's bedroom. And it was to the front of the apartment. Again, it's on the ground floor. So I didn't really like that for us at all. This is the bathroom that she would use. It would serve for guests as well. So the bathroom wasn't bad. Here's what it's giving. Has a window in the bath. If there's not a window in the bath itself, in the shower itself, then I need a window in the bathroom. Like, don't get bathrooms without windows or that cancellation thing, you know, that ventilation thing. Yeah, man, it's necessary. So here's the other bedroom. They were kind of small, but the price point on this apartment was not bad at all, especially since it was fully furnished. So this is the other bathroom in this bedroom. I like the space on the vanity here. I don't mind that at all. The price point on this one was 14,000 pesos, which is 820 US dollars at the present market rate. Let's move on to another. Hey guys, come look at some apartments with me. I am walking to one of them right now because the Uber dropped me off and he asked me, is this it? And I confidently say, yes, let me know where may I go. And I did not know where I was going. Hola. But it's only a few minutes away and the walk will give me the opportunity to see the neighborhood. Here's a little Pravada right here, and there's a house for sale. Not a lot of commercial activity. Oh, there's another house for sale. And there was one in the Pravada too. Not a lot of commercial activity. So I don't know how far it is to like supermarkets or restaurants or anything like that. But walk with me. If you're loving the content that you're seeing and want to help Munchkin and I get into our apartment even quicker, then please consider chipping in at the Buy Me a Coffee link that you see on the screen. It's also in the description box below. Thank you so much for everyone who's already helped us. I am hoping to be able to move into our apartment very soon. All right, so this one is in the Chuburna neighborhood, and it is on the ground floor of a 2-story unit. So this is what it looks like. It's a house. It's a house that are transformed into 2 apartments, okay? I would be on the lower level, the owner's upstairs. So you have a couch there, the dining table, the kitchen. This one was very charming. I liked the furniture. I liked the setting. It was small, but it's just me and Munchkin. So I'm starting to wrap my brain around that. I don't need no whole heap. No whole heap of space to clean. You know what I'm saying? So I started to be like, it's fine if the apartments are small. We're going to stay within budget here. So this is the kitchen area. I like that it had a small little island in it, even though the space is small. I like the kitchen, the amenities, what am I talking about? The appliances, the fridge. She had a stove top there that was gas. She had a microwave. She had a hood above the stove. I checked, you have to check to make sure the water pressure is good. Her water pressure was not actually good. So, you know, I check all these things on the first walkthrough just to make sure. You have to make sure that these things are in your apartment, or else it's a no-go. Things like water pressure, you need to check that. Right off the kitchen area, you had a little washroom area as well. So you can put, and she did say that she was willing to put a washer dryer unit back there, because I was like, oh, that's convenient. I need to get one. And she said she would put one back there. So I love it, you know, I love it when them hear you talk. And them say, yeah, man, we do that. So that's the washroom area back there. This first bedroom was humongous, even though it had the 2 small beds in it. So I guess it works if you have 2 children. But baby, this would have been my bedroom if I were gonna take this apartment. So we would have to scooch up those 2 beds together to make a proper size bed, because look at the size of this room. I like it. I want you to take notes though of the lighting situation in here, because I felt like I was in a basement apartment. There is no, the windows open out to like stairs and, you know, what is that, carports. Like there is no, I would crave to be able to see outside in this apartment. But baby, the space in this bedroom and this bathroom, this is what I mean when I say I wish I could pick some pieces of different units that I've seen. Like I would pick out this shower and bring it into my dream apartment. The space in here is nice. It just not have no window in here. Did you see that? It not have no window in here, so that is going to be a problem, especially in a closed up apartment like this, where the windows are already kind of lacking. Ample closet space in this hell of a room. And I'm telling you, I could fit a whole couch over in that corner there on that wall. Yeah. See that window right there with the gray blind? It leads to the stairwell. It goes nowhere. And so I just feel like I'm in a basement. So I was just like, as someone who craves views, like I want a balcony, I want views. I don't know if this would have worked for me. Anyway, so this is the middle bathroom, the one for visitors, and that second bedroom that's to the front. The bathroom is very nice. I'll give her that. Very cute. There is a window in there, but it's just for ventilation because, again, it goes to the stairwell. This is the front bedroom, which is supposed to be the primary bedroom, but it is pretty small, so you can see that she put a nice little armoire looking thing over on the side to make up for the lack of closet space. Hey, you can tell when one place decorated out by a woman, you know, them have taste. I'm walking away from the house. It's that one with the balcony. That would not be my balcony. That would be, I'm not sure if it's the owner's balcony or someone else lives upstairs. I think it's the owner, and she never want me to know, so she the owner. So she was like, oh, the owner requires 2 deposits and blah, blah, blah. You're the owner. You live upstairs. I know that. Anyways, let me tell you, that apartment, I want to take it just because of her. She is such a lovely woman. And she has a 13-year-old son, so you know that would be perfect. I think. But I envision myself having a friend, because she looks kind of like my age, I'm not sure. I just envision myself having more local friends. This is really why I want her place. But honestly, I don't know if I want to stay in this neighborhood. So we will see how that turns out. I have 2 more places to go see tomorrow. So let's talk about it. That lady wanted 15,000 pesos for the apartment. It was 2 bedroom, 2 bath, but it was very small. So now her decor was very nice, but I knew that 15,000 pesos was a lot to ask for this neighborhood. Not as nice an area and not very close to some of the malls and areas that I visit regularly. So for me, it was a no for several reasons, especially the price and the lack of windows. So if you want to see those apartments, make sure you're subscribed. All right, let's go to the next one. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you tell me which one was your favorite in the comments down below. I have 3 more places that I viewed in this trip, so if you want to see those 3, make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell so you will know as soon as I upload that video. Catch you in the next one.